Welcome to the unboxing of the Boat Rockerz 335. As you can see, it comes with a Qualcomm aptX HD, and it also comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 chipset. And at this price point, it comes with Type-C charging, so that's a very great thing. And it comes with a 30 hours non-stop battery backup. It can have a playtime of 30 hours. And it also is splash and sweat resistance, which is implied by its IPX5 rating. And the magnetic earbuds are basically something that will help its headset from not falling off when you're doing running, walking, or jogging, etc. Right? So, and it also comes with an additional feature of ASAP charging, which is basically gives you a 10 hours of charging in just 10 hours of playtime with just 10 minutes of charge. And to get it fully charged, it takes about 1 hour. So this I purchased from Amazon for about 1500 rupees. So the price changes slightly based on the offers being provided, and this is in direct competition with other boat items as well as a few JBL products in the market. So let's go ahead and try and unboxing it. Let's see what's there in the package. So as I mentioned, I just got it from Amazon about yesterday, and I'm just unlocking it. So as you can see, it comes with the headset, and let's see what else is there in the package, which has basically the USB Type-C charging cable, a couple of sets of earbuds, and the warranty card as well, and a bit of a booklet which talks about the features of the product itself. So as you can see, the headset, as I was mentioning, I've got it in the blue color. It comes in various colors: red, black, green, yellow. So I've got the yellow one here. So it's a neckband again. So as you can see, the light is charging, which indicates that it is ready for pairing. And yeah, so the headset looks good to the feel, and it doesn't feel flimsy at all. And the module itself, right, it is metallic and it doesn't feel of a low quality. The wires are a bit flimsy, but I think they should not be having too much of a issue around the quality of it. And as I mentioned earlier, it comes with the magnetic tips, wherein it will prevent the headset from falling down when you're actually doing some kind of running, walking, jogging, etc. So it comes with a physical button on the right side, which is basically the volume button, as you can see, plus minus, which helps you change the track as well as change the volume. So if you long press it, then it changes the track, and if you short press it, then it's the volume that gets changed. So as you can see, right, so it does come with a pause and play button, which also helps you take calls on the neckband. And this is, as I mentioned, on the right side of the unit itself. So it comes with a shark fin stay, as well as the ear tip already attached to it. So on Amazon, I have heard reviews that it is good on bass, and if somebody is really interested in bass, they should be ideally considering this. And as you can see, there's the boat logo over here. So earlier it used to come with a boat writing, but nowadays it's coming with a boat logo. So it is quite flexible. It definitely doesn't feel flimsy, and I hope to look forward to using this for a day or two, and then probably I'll post back a video as to how the sound quality is. Based on the reviews that I had seen, it is high on bass, so somebody who really likes bass probably will enjoy it much more than somebody who doesn't like the bass so much. So let's see. I'll post an update based on how it sounds down the line. So the headset itself, I'm happy about, right? So for this price range of about 1400 to 1500 rupees, it is definitely looking to be a good buy. And let's see how the voice quality of it is, and the battery backup, etc., which I'll post an update soon as I can get my hands on for a thorough review. So that's it for now. I'll look forward to my other video, and we'll take it from there.